So I'd like to know if there's a reason why nobody talks about this fragrance by Lattafa. This is Musk Wild Vanille, and I purchased this a few months ago, and when it came in the mail, it was like this. And I was so disappointed. I was like, my goodness, it broke in transit. So then I just kind of finagled it and squeezed it back in there until it stood in place, which by the way, it does, but I always question if I'm doing it correctly. Nevertheless, what does this fragrance smell like? There is bergamot, there's citrus, there's green tea, there are fruity notes in here. And look at how cloudy the liquid is in the bottle. And I'm thinking to myself, is this a water-based formula? It might be. But then I looked at the bottom of the sticker and it says 80% by volume. So it might not be. I'm not entirely sure. So anyway, what do you get from this fragrance as far as the smell is concerned? So it opens up very fruity, very fresh. You do get that vanilla that is in the name of the perfume. It's not an overly sweet fragrance, so it's not a gourmand. And I find it to be kind of a weird contrast between the green tea and the vanilla. A part of the fragrance smells very like calming and serene. And then a part of it has like this sweet come hither personality. And I feel like the two don't really work well together. Now, here's the thing. If you like the way that it smells, by all means, please wear it. It's not my favorite Lattafa fragrance, but I can see how some people would end up really enjoying this one. Personally, there are other tea-based fragrances that I would recommend, and there are other fruity fragrances that I would recommend, even from the house of Lattafa itself. But this is one that has a pretty weird contrast and dichotomy of ingredients in here. And as far as the overall smell is concerned, while I do find it to be kind of sweet and fresh and a little fruity, it seems to go in a few different directions for me. So anyway, Musk Wild Vanille by Lattafa. I personally get 6 hours longevity from this fragrance, an arm's length projection for the first hour of application. What's been your experience with it? I would love to hear from you. Drop your comment down below and make sure to follow if you love smelling your best.